What does an estate lawyer do after death? Estate planning lawyers help their clients plan for what's going to happen with their property and assets after they pass. This includes creating wills and trusts and ensuring that all of the client's financial affairs are in order. Estate attorneys also help implement their clients' decisions about who will inherit their property and how much they'll inherit and when. Ultimately, estate lawyers provide peace of mind to their clients by helping them plan for their future and ensuring their wishes are going to be fulfilled after they're gone. While some estate lawyers will help with the probate process after death, many estate planning lawyers' responsibilities end at that point before their clients pass away. It's also important to note that even if an estate lawyer assists with probate administration, the vast majority of them do not handle probate disputes or litigation that can ensue. If you have questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or schedule a free consultation at rmolawyers.com. Who notifies the bank when someone dies? When a person dies, their bank accounts typically need to be closed. In some cases, the executor of the estate will be responsible for notifying the bank. However, if the account is jointly owned by another person, it may be up to them to inform the bank. In other cases, it might be the responsibility of a beneficiary named on the account documents. It's essential to check with the bank to determine what type of account it is and what specific requirements might need to be met. What happens to the deceased bank account? It depends on how the account's set up. Joint accounts include a right of survivorship, which allows the surviving joint owner to become the sole owner of the account when the other joint owner passes. Likewise, if the deceased was the sole owner of the account, but they have chosen a beneficiary on a payable on death or a transferable on death, sometimes called a POD or TOD account, then the beneficiary is going to be the person that they designated. That's who's going to inherit the funds in the account. When assets in a bank account are passed through survivorship or a beneficiary designation, they're excluded from the probate process. This means that the terms of the will or trust are generally irrelevant to who's going to receive the money. This is known as a non-probate transfer. However, if the deceased was the sole owner of the account and they've not designated a beneficiary, then the account will need to be closed and the funds will become part of the estate and go through the probate administration process through the probate court. The same is true if they were a joint owner of an account, but that account does not have a right of survivorship, which is rare. This means that the money in either case is going to be distributed according to the terms of the will through the probate process. And if there is no will, then according to the state's intestate succession laws. Does an estate lawyer handle probate or trust administration? Often, yes. Estate planning lawyers help their clients plan for the distribution of their assets after death. This process typically involves creating wills and trusts, which are vital to ensuring that one's final wishes are carried out. Estate planning lawyers also can help handle the probate or trust administration process. Does an estate lawyer handle will contests and trust disputes? Generally, no. If you need to contest a will or resolve some sort of trust dispute, you're going to want to hire a probate litigation lawyer. Estate planning lawyers are great at creating documents such as wills and trusts, but they typically do not handle will contests or disputes. And while they are knowledgeable of probate laws and processes, they typically don't get involved in disputes and litigation. While some estate lawyers may dabble in contests and trust disputes, it's really important to find a lawyer who has specialized experience and knowledge in this area, disputes, to resolve whatever issue you're facing. Hiring a lawyer who's not familiar with the complexities of probate litigation and not familiar with the processes of litigating these cases in probate court could cause an unsuccessful outcome for you in your case. Have questions? At RMO, we protect people like you every day. Give us a call, shoot us an email, or schedule a free consultation at rmolawyers.com. Thanks for watching.